Hello guys, so in this video I will be talking of electrical potential energy of charge thin spherical shell. So basically we have a spherical shell and we have a Q charge which all reside at the surface. Now we want to calculate what is the electrical potential energy of this shell. So why does it have electrical potential energy? In the first case, when it was uncharged initially, we were bringing small charges from infinity to here, and as we bring in the charge, the potential keeps on increasing and this becomes positive. So when new charge has to be brought from here to here, work has to be done, because this positive charge which is already collected will be repelling the positive charge which we are bringing from infinity to here. So that's why we have to work, we have to do the work in bringing the charge. Say at some instant of time we have accumulated some Q charge, and that is a small q. We have to make it bigger Q, that is very greater than Q. So at some instant t, we say it has accumulated Q charge. Now from infinity we are bringing dq amount of charge, and say the potential at this surface is V. So that potential is basically given by Q over 4 pi epsilon naught R, where R is the radius of this shell and Q is the accumulated charge. Now we are bringing in dq charge, so work done in bringing that a small amount of charge will be V times dq. Basically potential difference is calculated by work done per unit charge, right, in bringing from infinity to at this place. At infinity we have potential as 0, at here we have potential as V. So potential difference is V minus 0, that is V. Now work done will be calculated, which is Q over 4 pi epsilon naught R dq. Now to calculate the complete work done will be Q over 4 pi epsilon naught R dq. This portion is constant, you can bring it down, bring it up, and then this becomes Q square by 2, and the limits are from 0. Initially 0 charge was there and final charge is capital Q, and leftover part is 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught R, that is constant. So this becomes Q square over 8 pi epsilon naught R. So this is the work done which the external agency will do in bringing this capital Q amount of charge from infinity to this shell. So since we have done the work on this shell in making this shell, so this work done will be stored as a potential energy. Assume that this shell breaks down, then what will happen? So this potential energy will be converted into the kinetic energy of each and every small parts. So say if you cut it down from here and it becomes two parts like this, so what will happen? The potential energy will be, some of the potential energy will be converted into the kinetic energy of these two parts. So this is for this video. So thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, you can put below and I will try to solve those problems for you. You can just put the number of problem number, or if you want to solve get it solved, or you want to understand any concept in physics, you can basically just comment it down, and you can like, share and subscribe. Thank you.